In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy credits in Rocket League. If you want to unlock certain items, build blueprints, or shop for cosmetics, credits are the in-game currency you'll need. The process is very straightforward, and in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through it clearly so you know exactly what to expect from start to finish. First, launch Rocket League on your device and wait for the game to load to the main menu. Make sure you're signed into the platform account you want to use for the purchase, since the checkout will go through that system. Once you're at the home screen, you're ready to begin. From the main menu, go to the item shop. This is where Rocket League features purchasable content, including cosmetic items and bundles. Take a moment to let the shop fully load so all options appear correctly, especially if your connection is a little slow. Next, look toward the bottom left of the screen for the Buy Credits option and select it. That's the most direct way to open the credit store. There's also another way to get there if needed. If you try to purchase a locked blueprint or another item that requires credits, the game will usually prompt you to open the credit store automatically. So if you don't immediately spot the button, that alternate path works too. Once the credit store opens, choose the amount of credits you want to purchase. Rocket League usually offers several package sizes, so you can pick the one that best matches what you need. If you already know the cost of the item you want, it's a good idea to compare the package amounts before buying so you don't end up with fewer credits than necessary. After selecting your preferred credit amount, follow the on-screen prompts to complete checkout using your platform's payment system. Depending on where you play, this could be through Epic Games, PlayStation, Xbox, or Nintendo. The exact screens may look a little different from one platform to another, but the process is essentially the same. Review the purchase details carefully, confirm the payment, and then wait for the transaction to process. Once the purchase is complete, the credits should be added to your account automatically. If they don't show up right away, give it a moment and check again. In some cases, returning to the main menu can help refresh your balance. And that's all it takes to buy credits in Rocket League. After that, you can head back to the item shop or your blueprints and use your new credits however you like.